Let us add. Rama has 1 block.
This is my block.
Yash has 1 block.
This is mine.
Together, they have 2 blocks. This sign is used. It is read as plus. Equality. It is read as is equal to. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Observe the addition train. Plus, combined, total, all together, more, collect. Are there any more words for addition? For example, to gather. Find out and write them down in your books. Draw beads to match the given numbers and add them. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Count the pictures and add. 3 fish plus 5 fish is equal to 8 fish. 4 frogs plus 3 frogs is equal to 7 frogs. 5 fingers plus 4 fingers is equal to 9 fingers. 4 fingers plus 4 fingers is equal to 8 fingers. Addition of 0. 2 oranges plus 0 is equal to 2 oranges. 3 oranges plus 0 is equal to 3 oranges. 1 orange plus 0 is equal to 1 orange. 5 oranges plus 0 is equal to 5 oranges. Let's practice addition. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 5 plus how much is equal to 7? 2. 8 plus how much is equal to 9? 1. 2 plus how much is equal to 5? 3. What number plus what number is equal to 8? 4 plus 4. Read and solve. Salil had 6 chalks. Hamid gave him 3 more chalks. How many chalks does Salil have in all? 9. Salil now has 9 chalks in total. Ketan has 4 almonds and Neha has 4 almonds. How many almonds do they together have? 8. Together they both have 8 almonds. Joseph has 7 flowers and Angel has 2 flowers. Find the total number of flowers with them. 9. They have 9 flowers in total. Jia has 5 beads and Parmeet has 3 beads. How many beads do they have together? 8. Together they both have 8 beads. Color the petals whose answer is equal to the number in the circle. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Add the numbers given on a butterfly and join it with the correct flower. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7.